Hi, my name is Ethan Martin, and I'll be explaining problem number 4 today. For this problem, for A, you will need to find the relative extrema and find where the function is defined. The first step to find this is to find the derivative of the original function, which I found that to be product and chain rule. So here's it's chain rule inside of product rule. And I found this to be the derivative, which is negative 5x times e to the 1 minus 0.125x squared times negative 0.25x plus negative 5 times e to the 1 minus 0.125x squared. The next step to find the relative extrema is to set the derivative to 0, and that is to find the critical numbers. And you find that by putting it into solver. You put the derivative into solver, and then you'll type in one of these numbers, and you'll find that one answer is 2, and one critical number is negative 2. So I have that written down. The next step is to make a sign chart. And then with the sign chart, you're going to look at the graph, and it shows clearly that the relative maximum and the relative minimum is at negative 2 and 2. So that's what I have written down right here. For B, you're going to find the absolute extrema for the intervals 0, 5. So the first and second step are the same, finding the derivative, and then for the second step, set the derivative equal to 0 to find the critical numbers, and then you also add in the endpoints. So the critical numbers are the same, negative 2 and 2, and I crossed out negative 2 because it's not in the interval 0 to 5. So for step 3, you're going to make a table for the original function, the critical numbers, and the endpoints. And you do that by going to the table and typing in 0, 2, and 5. You leave out negative 2 because it is not in the interval. And you find the biggest number, and that is 10, at x equals 0, and that is the absolute maximum. Then you find the smallest number, which is negative 6.487, and that is at x equals 2. Thank you.